What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you just a very simple yet natural home remedy to shrink and close up those large and open pores. Now let me tell you guys, the thing is that when you're having a large and open pores, number one, your face is going to be experiencing excessive production of oil, and that will lead to pimples and breakouts. That will lead to uneven skin tone, and that will lead to of course blocking your pores. Okay, because when your pores is clogged, your skin is not going to be beautiful. Okay, so this remedy is going to help you clear all of that, and your skin is going to breathe again, and you are going to be happy. So if you want to know what it does comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, do that on my website. Please follow me on Instagram, guys. Now let's jump right into the video. So to shrink large and open pores, you're going to be making use of potato, guys. Now potato is a natural lightening remedy that helps to remove wrinkles from the face, and it also helps to shrink open and large pores. It therefore helps to leave the skin smooth because it tightens up the skin. Now to prepare this, guys, first of all we're gonna be peeling off the potato. And now, because we're going to be blending it, so we're going to have to cut it, guys. Okay, so we can blend it. Alright, so you can actually either blend yours or you can crate it. So I'm going to be creating this. Here we go. And that should be okay. So I'm going to be putting in just 1 tablespoon of that. 1 tablespoon of it is going to be perfect. Okay, let me make sure it's up to 1 tablespoon. Yeah. And also we're going to be making use of carrots. Alright, so I've actually prepared and washed my carrots already. Carrot is a natural skin tightener. It helps to firm up the sagging skin as well as the sagging boobs. So it will also help to shrink up the pores, leaving the skin smooth and removing pigmentations. I'm also going to be blending the carrots. So I'm going to be blending it in the same blender. The carrot doesn't have so much water like that, so I'm going to So here it is, although not properly blended, but I'm going to take the ones that are blended, which are this. So 2 tablespoons of that is going to do the job for us. and this is what I need. And also we're gonna be making use of egg, and in this we're gonna be making use of egg whites, guys. Now egg whites is a natural skin tightener. It works wonders for the skin, and it helps to leave the pores smaller, and it also helps to shrink the pores. It leaves the skin smooth, radiant, and youthful. Alright guys, so for the egg, I'm gonna be taking the egg whites, just the egg whites. Then we're gonna be taking just 1 tablespoon of the egg whites. And also we're gonna be needing Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now Fuller's Earth clay powder, it's a natural remedy that helps to leave the skin smooth, youthful, radiant, polished, and it would help to tighten up a large and open pores, okay? And also we're gonna be putting in half tablespoon of the Fuller's Earth clay powder. And then we'll give this a stir. Alright, so you stir it and it smells really great, guys. Alright, so here's the treatment. It looks really nice. Like, look at that. It looks really nice, and it smells like heaven. Oh my goodness, it smells really great. Alright, so what you do is that you get a brush and then you apply this where the places in which you have your open pores, okay? So you just apply this generously, like enough of it onto the places where you have your open pores. And this is gonna help you a whole lot. Alright, so after you've done like applying this, you can see how my skin is shiny. So you just leave this, let it dry. Let it dry. Now when it dries, it's just gonna tighten up your pores, tighten up your skin, and you are gonna glow like really well. So make sure to apply this generously, okay? Alright, so you leave this, let it dry. So when it is dry, you're gonna notice that your face is gonna be like oh my god, you can't even open your mouth because it's just gonna dry up everywhere, and you're gonna be loving the way it's gonna be like, guys. It's just gonna be lovely, like so much. Alright, so remember to wash off with a toilet soap. So I'm gonna show you how I'm going to be washing this off. I'll be right back when mine is dry. It's actually it's dry here and here. Basically those are the places I would likely be having open pores, okay? So pour water over your face, let it sink down or drop down, I don't know. is actually very simple, and it's actually very simple to apply. Okay, so it's just going to help you so much to tighten up your skin, just like I earlier said, and then close up those pores, preventing you from having excessive production of oil on your skin, and preventing you from breakouts. Okay, so do this and you're gonna be loving it. Alright, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any questions, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys. Mwah.